Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to check Windows installation data. So guys, if you want to check Windows installation data, it's very easy. Click on start, tab here CMD. After click on command prompt, tab here system. Info. After click on enter. This is all information here. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to check Windows installation data. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and subscribe after like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.